How to reactivate Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can reactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to reactivate your Instagram account, it's actually quite simple. Let's say you had tried to deactivate your account before, or if you deleted it and it's been more than 30 days now, you can't really reactivate your account because deletion is permanent. But if you're still within the 30-day framework, then you can just try to reactivate it. Or in another note is that if you have just deactivated an Instagram account and now you want to reactivate it, it's nothing so difficult. All you have to do is open Instagram and then just try to log into that same Instagram account that you had tried to deactivate it before. In my case, whenever you try to log into that same Instagram account, it might ask you for a pop-up that do you want to reactivate it. If it does ask you, go ahead and tap on the yes option. If it doesn't also, it will successfully log you into your account without any sort of pop-ups. So hope this video helps you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.